Hello student, I am Varka Sharma from Saga Institute of Research and Technology Bhopal. Today we start a topic Introduction to Matrix and Determinant, and from first lecture Introduction of Determinant we will start a definition of determinant. Every square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n of order n we can associate a number real or complex is called determinant of a square matrix where Aij is equal to I and jth element of A, and it is denoted by determinant of A or del, where capital A is equal to Aij n cross n, where n cross n the number of row and number of column. Now the order of determinant. Determinant of order 1, okay, A is equal to A11, that means one row and one column is a determinant of order 1. Determinant of order 2, A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, that means 2 cross 2, 2 row and 2 column is a determinant of order 2. Determinant of order 3, A is equal to A11, A12, A13, 21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, that means 3 row and 3 column is the determinant of order 2. Noted, only square matrices have determinant. The matrices which are not square do not have determinant. The determinant of a square matrix of order 3 can be expanded along any row or column. If a row or column of a determinant consists of all 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. Now the cofactor. Cofactor of any element in a determinant is obtaining by deleting the row and column which intersect in that element with the proper sign. The sign of an element in the ith row and jth column is -1 to the power I plus j. The cofactor of an element is usually denoted by corresponding capital letter. If del is equal to A11, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3, now the cofactor of A1 is equal to A1, that means 1, 1, one row and one column, -1 to the power 1 plus 1, and leave the other values of B1, C1 and B2, A2, C3, then the determinant is remaining B2, B3, C2 and C3, and this value is called the cofactor of A. Now the example, if capital A is equal to 4, -7, -3 and 2, the minor of this matrix M11, that means first row and first column is 2, first row second column is -3, second row first column -7 and second row second column is 4. That means the cofactor is equal to 2, 7, 3, 4. Now I hope it is clear for you. Thank you so much.